Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the project integration management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, project integration management is basically a knowledge area defined by Project Management Institute PMI in the Project Management Body of Knowledge PMBOK guide. Now, what is PMI? PMI is basically an institute based in USA. It's a non-profit based organization, and the most popular certificate issued by PMI Project Management Institute is PMP, Project Management Professional. So if you are a person who is willing to plan to give PMP exam, so he must has to visit the PMI website, and also a very popular book issued by PMI is Project Management Body of Knowledge PMBOK guide. PMBOK guide is basically a book which contains all the standards defined by PMI Project Management Institute related to project management, that what are the standards which must be followed for the project management. It plays a crucial role in ensuring that various elements of a project are properly coordinated and integrated to achieve project objectives. Friend, we all knows that project is basically a temporary endeavor which has a beginning and an ending, and it has some objective which we want to achieve, and it must be a unique thing as well. So friend, whenever we are implementing any project, it has different various elements which involve with it, like scope, time, cost, risk, issues, resources, stakeholders. So many things are there. So considering all those things, we must have to consider that how we can complete a project. So basically the integration, when we talk about integration, we are talking about that how we are managing all these various elements of a project, and we achieve our project objective as well. So the project integration management knowledge area includes the processes and activities needed to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate various processes and project management activities within the project management process groups. So let's deep dive into the topic project integration management. First process in the project integration management is the develop project charter. Friend, project charter is basically simply a document which formally authorize the existence of a project. You just think of project charter as a like a birth certificate. Whenever there is a birth of a child, it issue the birth certificate issued to the child, that this child has birth in that particular location, and this is the name, this is the thing. So similarly, project charter is like a document which confirm that this project is going to start, and it gives authority to the project manager as well to use organizational resources for project activities. The key activities involved in the project charter are identifying the stakeholders, defining the high level project scope, requirements, objectives, and this high level schedule, and obtaining the approval for the project as well. So these are the things which must have to be mentioned in the project charter. Next is the develop project management plan. This is another process in the project integration management. The objective of the project management plan is this process involve defining and preparing and coordinating all subsidiary plans and integrating them into comprehensive project management plan. Basically, project management plan is a set of different subsidiary plans, like cost management plan, risk management plan, communication management plan, project schedule. So all those sorts of documentation must be involved, and this whole set becomes basically the called as project management plan. The key activities involved in the project integration management plan are collecting the requirements, defining the scope, creating the schedule, determining the budget, planning for quality, communication, risk, procurement. So all those things basically means that in a project how will you manage all those things. Okay, like for example schedule, quality, communication, risk, etc. Next process is the direct and manage project work. The objective of this process is to execute the project management plan to complete the project deliverables and achieve project objectives. Basically, see, in the previous process, we have planned that how will you manage the schedule, how will you manage the quality, scope, etc. And here basically you are executing the things. So here the key activities are performing project activities, managing the project resources, implementing approved changes, and ensuring that work is done according to the project management plan. So basically first we plan that what we are going to do, then we execute the things according to our plan. So that is called as the direct and manage project work. Next is the monitor and control project work. That means this process involves tracking, reviewing, and regulating the progress and performance of the project, identifying any areas in need of change, and initiating the corresponding changes as well. Basically friend, now we are monitoring the things. Monitoring the means that we have a plan. For example, we have a plan that we have to complete one module in for example 2 weeks, for example. So we will manage, here we will monitor that either the progress of the work is as per the plan or not. If it is not as per the plan, we have to take the action actually. So that is basically called monitor and control. Monitor means that monitor based on the planned work and the actual work, and control means that if there is any correction, if there is any action required, we can take it accordingly. Next is the perform integrated change control. That means this process involves reviewing all change requests, approving changes, and managing changes to the deliverable organizational process, assets, project documents, and project management plan. That means basically friend, that if there is any change means the changes, like for example if there is any change in the signed scope of work, so obviously it will be considered as a change request. For example, as per the scope of work, 5 modules we have to deliver, and now customer want one more module, so we will consider this as a change request. The key activities involved in this process are reviewing, approving, rejecting change request, updating project documents and plans, and communicating changes to the stakeholder. Next is the close project or phase. Once all the things have been finalized, all activities across project management process groups are completed, so formally we can close the project or phase. You can make a simple document at which you can get the acceptance from the customer as well. Key activities involved are obtaining customer or stakeholder acceptance like sign off, close out contracts if there is any, completing final project documentation, obtaining final acceptance of deliverables, and releasing the project resources as well. Friend, effective project integration management ensures that the various elements of a project are coordinated and aligned with the project's overall goals and objectives. It involves making trade-offs between competing demands and addressing changes throughout the project lifecycle to keep it on track. Successful integration management contributes to project success by promoting communication, collaboration, and holistic approach to project execution. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.